Hi just welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, and today in this video I'll be telling you how to get a perfect base and not a cakey base. As you can see, my base looks quite good today, and it is a no filter, nothing. It's just in a natural source of light, so yes, it looks good. I'll also zoom in so that you can eventually see that my makeup is not cakey today. And if you don't know what is actually cakey makeup, if you don't have the idea what actually cakey makeup looks like, I'll insert a photo here so that you can visualize it what it actually looks like. So this is it, and today we'll be achieving this perfect base makeup look together. So let's just directly jump in the video. But before we jump in, I'd like to request you to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so whenever I post a video you get notified. So 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Hello my gems. So today I'll be telling you how not to get a cakey base and how to get a perfect base. To be very honest, now oily skin ke liye this is a major problem, because makeup creases a lot and we sweat a lot, which I do. I have an oily skin type. I'm an oily skin type, so I really can feel you. So let's get started of how not to get a cakey base. And even I'm sitting here under the roof with no fan, no hawa, nothing, no AC, nothing. So if I can get this base right, then you can definitely. So let's finally begin with the steps. For the first step, we need to prep our फेस वेरी वेल. उसके लिए पहले फेस वॉश कर लो. मेकअप से पहले हमेशा आधा घंटा पहले या फिर 10-15 मिनट पहले फेस वॉश तो कर ही लो. Then your face is clean and it seems to be right. Now the next step is that prep it up using any water spray. गुलाब जल हो गया, फेस टोनर हो गया, फेस मिस्ट हो गया, कुछ भी स्प्रे करके अपना फेस को प्रेप कर लो. उसके लेट्स जस्ट प्रेप इट. कुछ भी यूज करके लेट्स जस्ट प्रेप इट. यूज द थिंग दैट इज अवेलेबल ऑन योर होम. आई थिंक गुलाब जल सबके घर में अवेलेबल होता है. इवन मैं तो 2020 में मेकअप करना स्टार्ट की हूँ. उसके पहले भी मेरे घर में हमेशा गुलाब जल होता था. मीन्स आई लर्न मेकअप ड्यूरिंग 2020 एट द एंड और इन द मिडल ऑफ 2020 यू कैन से. सो लेट्स जस्ट प्रेप. शेक योर बॉटल वेल and just prep it. Don't forget your neck when you are spraying your face mist, face toner or your gulab jal. And now the second thing is that let it dry on its own. Don't just be in a hurry. उतना जल्दबाजी नहीं करना है हम लोगों को उसको अपने आप let it dry on its own, which is very important. Mist is fully dry, and for the second step we'll go with moisturizer. Moisturizing our face is very important for our makeup so that it lasts long and it gives you a matte finish and a good finish. So the thing is from Pond's Super Light Gel, and it is the most hype moisturizer I feel in now. So I really love this moisturizer. It really worth the hype. And moreover, I am having an oily skin type, as I always tell, so it is a good moisturizer, because I genuinely don't like oil based moisturizer, because the reason behind is that it makes me more sweaty. मेरे को ज़्यादा पसीना आता है. And most importantly, don't forget to moisturize your neck even, because eventually you will wear this makeup outside, right? You don't. Now to layer it up, you can also use sunscreen if you are going out. Since I'm not going out, I'll not use sunscreen. And more after you applied your moisturizer, I always apply my moisturizer more in my under eyes, because मेरे under eyes में fine lines है. If you don't have, wow, see, as you can see, बहुत fine lines है. And this area, and also my under eyes are very dry. I don't know how it's very dry. I think I'm having combination skin, I don't know. So it's very dry, so I just apply more moisturizer, because नहीं तो makeup उधर crease हो जाता है and it turns out to be very bad. So I apply more moisturizer over there. And even if you have eye primer now, you can also apply that. But I don't feel there is any difference between eye primer and normal primer, because I don't have, of course, but I think the normal primer can also work as an eye primer maybe. So yeah. So first of all, I apply double layer of moisturizer here so that my makeup, my foundation doesn't crease. and then we'll move towards the next step, that is applying primer. Applying primer is very important because of two reasons. First, it gives you a flawless finish, or if you want a glossy finish, you can have glossy primer. It will give you a glossy finish. If you want to have a matte finish, then you can use matte finish primer as I am using here. So this is the Blue Heaven Makeup Base Primer. It is a matte finish primer, I guess, and it's written like it feels pores and fine lines, and which I really believe ki it does. So it is a silicone based primer. So yeah, I just take a little bit of amount, just take a pea size amount, and then just rub it in between your fingers and apply it all over the areas that you feel you have pores and also you have fine lines. And I also apply it to the areas where I feel I sweat a lot, like for this area, and then my lips and below my lips, because I sweat a lot in my T-zone, and of course on my fine lines. So we are all set with our base. Now comes to foundation. Foundation is a very important part of makeup. Whenever we think of makeup, it's just like we need to apply foundation. Even if anyone doesn't apply makeup and don't know about makeup, they think that foundation is a necessary step, and I think which is necessary. Plays a great role in makes your base perfect. Also, foundation plays a great role in making your base cakey. So you need to be very wise while choosing a foundation. For example, if you have dry skin, you need to choose a hydrating foundation, and if you have oily skin like me, then you need to choose like matte finish foundation. And also if combination skin, then also you can choose matte finish foundation. I choose matte finish foundation. I like to use this foundation, and also this foundation. This one is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Toffee 330, and this one is from Lakme 925 in the shade 540 or N340 Neutral Almond, and both of the shades are quite similar. It's a matte finish foundation hai, and I think this is also a matte finish foundation. It's from normal to oily skin foundation, and also it comes with SPF 22, and I don't know if this comes with, yes, this also comes with an SPF 20, but it has more SPF, right? So I really like this foundation more. I am inclined to this foundation more than this because I feel it's like a very natural finish foundation, but this also works for me. So we'll be applying this foundation today. And most importantly, why I don't like this foundation is because of the wastage is created because of this. Needs to be done perfectly so that our makeup stays a bit long and it doesn't feel cakey. It doesn't look cakey actually. So if you are blending with a blender, then you need to make sure that it is a dab beauty blender, that is, it is wet beauty blender but not that wet. As you can see, it is dab but not wet कि पानी निकलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And if you are using brush, then तो I really don't have experience with brushes, so I cannot tell how it actually feels like. And I feel, and also grab the excess product towards your neck ताकि थोड़ा भी difference ज़्यादा ना लगे. इधर एकदम ही गोरा, इधर एकदम ही काला. सच बात. We move to conceal. So after foundation we move to concealer, and concealer also plays a vital role for making your makeup base cakey and also your makeup base perfect. So apply a little bit of concealer. Don't apply like एकदम ही ज़्यादा apply मत करना because वो crease होगा ही होगा. No matter how good concealer you're using, if you apply it in a lot of amount, then it may crease. And also it's not like that, that we are always gonna sit in a AC. If it is like that, then you can go with any. Your makeup will not crease easily but we need to struggle with the humidity even. So I apply a little bit of concealer only. Blend it over. Now now after applying the concealer, we'll move straight towards setting our makeup. Setting our makeup is very important because it just keeps the makeup in place and the makeup doesn't shift basically. So you can set your makeup using two things, that is, one is the loose powder and another thing is that compact powder. If an oily skin, I'll prefer matte compact powder, and also you can set using loose powder, but I feel if I sweat a lot, the loose powder creases and the makeup eventually creases too, and it doesn't look good to me. So I always prefer using compact powder. Use your shade compact powder, don't use any other lighter shade, because no, use only your shade. This compact powder is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330 Toffee. It is same as the shade I am using of my foundation. It is same as the shade of my foundation. So yeah, and don't apply all over the face just to set your makeup. Just apply in the areas where you feel you need to set. For example, for me, it's my under eyes, above in my forehead, below my chin, above my chin, and also in this area. That's it, we are done. The base looks very nice till now, and if you as you can see, my dark circles are really visible now. And now if you are wondering कि इतने में तो हम लोग का होगा ही नहीं, कैसे cover होगा dark circle, then what's the use of apply makeup and वगैरह वगैरह. I am using a light coverage concealer. Use full coverage concealer. For example, Maybelline concealer, and then Swiss Beauty concealer also gives you a full coverage to medium coverage kind of look, but the one I am using, it doesn't give you full coverage. I am using the Blue Heaven concealer in the shade 500 one, I guess, Toffee, but I feel this works for me nicely because I don't like heavy makeup on my face, but yet I want to feel presentable. So yeah, because I know if I apply the more amount of product I will apply, the more amount of sweat it will appear in my face. So at last my face will not look good, and moreover it will look very cakey. So this is what I prefer, because to be very honest, I don't have the privilege to just sit in my AC and just attend the things. No, that's not going to happen to me. So I need to move here and there, and eventually I will sweat a lot. So I prefer to keep my makeup jitna kam ho sake. To the last step of our face makeup is that setting it up using a setting spray. Use any setting spray. You can use glossy finish setting spray if you want to. You can use any setting spray of your choice. Use glossy finish if you want glossy finish. You use matte finish if you want matte finish. This is the setting spray I'm using. This is by Blue Heaven. It stays silky dewy look, silky matte effect, whatever you call it. Both is written here. To be very honest, I don't like this, but you can use the Swiss Beauty one. But I need to use it because if I need to go out, because this smells weird. एकदम ही weird सा smell है इसका. So I don't prefer it so much. I don't suggest you to get this, but it is very important to make your makeup last long. I am thinking of investing in the NYX setting spray and also Face Canada, any of them, or Swiss Beauty, but for now I'm having this, so I need to use this. I really don't like this, but इसके बिना मेरा चलता भी नहीं है. So let's just spray it. Just shake it well before spraying and just keep it in a distance and then only spray. Just don't keep it here and just spray, and only spray 2 to 3 pumps, not more than that. Bas. I always keep my nose closed while applying it because I really don't like the smell of it. It smells a little bit weird. And now moving on, take your Dab Beauty blender and take out the excess product. So finally we are all done and dusted. See you next time, my gems.